Hey, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to share something with you that is absolutely powerful. If you are in professional sales, that is your job. If you are working from home, if you do any type of sales online, product sales, or you sell services, then you definitely want to pay very close attention to this video because I'm going to be sharing with you a very, very simple strategy that is really easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to generate free traffic, free leads for your business, and how to really have explosive, continuous sales. And all you need to do is just pay really close attention to this video. If this video makes sense to you, you resonate with what I'm saying, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So, this is really about being able to create your very own free lead generation business software tool or free lead generation business source. And the analogy that I want to use in this example, and again, just please stay plugged into this video. This is an update for 2025. How much money can you make selling timeshares? Now, this is not a offer for you to sell timeshares. I'm only using this as an example and my own personal experience when the first one or two times that I went to Las Vegas. So, how much money can you make selling timeshares? The estimated total pay for a timeshare sale is just shy of 126,500 per year on average in the United States. And should you sell a timeshare, the average salary per year is just shy of $88,000. Now, understand something. If you don't know the experience of dealing with someone who is offering or selling a timeshare, I'm going to just quickly relate to my own experience again. First couple of times in Las Vegas, it seemed like as soon as I was close to the strip, the Las Vegas Strip, I had so many people coming up to me giving out flyers, right? Business flyers. And it would say something to the effect of get a complimentary meal and a complimentary free show. Call this number or visit this website. And once you call that number or once you visit the website, you realize you're really walking away with like a $300+ free gift, right? Free dinner, and these dinners aren't cheap. Nice place, nice, restaurant, and a free show. So let's say it costs $300, $350. You have no obligation to buy anything. You can say no, and when you contact these places, they'll tell you, hey, you just have to watch a live presentation. It's going to last about 90 minutes. So think about that for a second. Now, why should that excite you? And what does this have to do with this video? All right, so what I'm sharing with you is a brand new system that just came out not long ago, known as Cardly. And this gives you the ability to create your very own free digital business card. Now, I want you to follow what it is that I'm saying. When I share this with somebody, I could do this either online or I could do this in person. And this digital business card, this is not the main digital business card. This is just my personalized contact card. I have a title connected to it, Business Strategy Consultant Expert. And if I send someone this link for this V card, All they have to do, if I send it to them online or through their email or what have you, they come over here, they click this button, they download and get access to my contact information. And if it's in person, I could have that individual pull out their cell phone. I have them scan this code, right? And then all of a sudden, instantly, my contact information, my business opportunities, my social media sites, automatically they're downloaded to this individual and they have access to contacting me. Now, this isn't really about you, but there is a much bigger picture with what it is that I'm talking about with Cardly. Now, here's what I want you to think about. A lot of people are promoting their business opportunities to people that are not looking for a business. So you're on social media, maybe, a couple of hours a day. You're fighting off the people that are just trying to spam you their links. You're trying to find, out of 10 people that you talk with, at least one person that would be interested in taking a look at your business. You do that every day and you wonder why, it might take 3 or 4 months for you to recruit one person or for you to get one or two customers to share your products with. This is a new evolution. This is a smarter way to do business. And with these digital business cards, number one, you personally brand yourself as an expert. That's number one. And this is the best source of contact information. It's sort of like having a digital Rolodex card holder that's always up to date and always relevant. Now, think about this. Imagine if you just gave 5 of these a day away for free, 5 days a week, right? Now, you're online anyhow. Probably about 80% of the people that you're connected to on social media, Facebook, for example, probably about 80% of those people are already involved in some type of a home business or a work online opportunity. So would it be smarter for you to pitch directly or indirectly your business, or would it be smarter to be able to say, hey, how would you like to put all of your businesses, all of your social media profiles, all of your contact information, how would you like to be able to put all of that, create your very own free digital business card in 1 minute and share the best representation of yourself with other people in just one click? Would it be easier to do that, knowing that this is going to help other BizOp owners get more traffic, more leads, and ultimately make more sales, right? Because more people are going to say yes. So 5 days a week, you just get 5 people a day that say yes, send me, the free digital business card. I'll check it out. So that's 25 people a week. 25 people a week times 4 weeks, that is 100 people per month. Now, if 100 people per month for 3 months, if you did this daily activity, 100 people a month for 3 months, that would be 300 real contacts and leads. Why is this important? This is important because, this is not about you selling anything. I mean, it's great when you have other people's relevant contact information, but this is about you building your very own massive contact list, knowing that all of that information that's on that contact is available. And the unique thing about this is that my membership allows me to be able to have unlimited referrals. So this means that every one of these that I give away, when a person actually takes a minute and, creates their own free digital business card, I have that in my own back office, somewhat digital Rolodex. So look at it this way. Imagine you come across a new business you're really, really excited about. You haven't been excited about a new business in a long time. You want to get off to a great start. So what is it that you need to do? You need to have people to contact. You need to have people to share that opportunity with. So what if out of your 300 Cardly contacts that you built up, let's just say over 3 months, what if just 1/10, 1 out of 10 people joined your new business, and all you did, again, was reach out and contact just 10 people a day? If that's all you did with those 300 Cardly contacts that you contacted 10 a day, probably take you all of 20 minutes. And 10% of those individuals joined your business. Do you realize you would have 30 new personal signups in your business? Now, why is this important? It's important because when people accept these free digital business cards, they're putting all of their most relevant information on this card. It's not like when you're building an email list. How many times when you build an email list, a certain percentage of those emails are going to be bogus. People are just going to put in whatever they want because they want to see your video, but they don't want to subscribe to your email list. You don't have that problem here, right? The way that I have my Cardly set up right now, I've got a quick, short 2-minute introductory video telling people to start here. Why? It's about personal branding. I want to be able to relate with individuals and start developing a relationship. I'm talking to them about my instant cash system where people are able to make, and I show them how to make several hundreds of dollars per day, even 4 figures per day, and get paid instantly, right? Without leaving the comfort of their home. I've got AI tools for business. I've got USA free lead. I have my most relevant contact information. If people want to reach out to me on a Zoom chat, if they want to reach out to me on social media, I've got my most relevant social media links in here. This is just high level. And I have the ability for them to email me if they want to email me, if they want to call or text me. And keep in mind, all of these links and buttons that you see here, these are all interchangeable. So what is the relevance of this? The relevance of this is that if you're focused on daily activity that's super simple and you commit to doing that for a couple of months, then whatever it is that you get involved in, whatever it is that you decide, a new project you want to take on, I'm telling you right now, with 300 Cardly contacts and just 10% of those people joining your business, and you just contacted 10 people a day, that's 30 signups, right? 98% of the people watching this video right now have never gotten 30 signups in a month in anything, right? So how do you create your own Cardly? If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now, click on the links on my YouTube channel for Cardly and create your free account. If you're getting this video from an email, go back to that email right now, scroll to the bottom, click on the link. That's where you'll be able to create your free Cardly. And if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.